Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make Vietnamese beef stew in an Instant Pot. Bok kho.
Let's marinate our meat. Here I have beef shank right here, about 1/4 inch thick. They will shrink. You can use whatever kind of cut you want that has fat in it, like flank, chuck, brisket. You can even add tendon to this if you want. Put that in there. Next I have minced ginger, minced garlic, minced shallots, minced lemongrass, fish sauce, chicken bouillon, black pepper, and your bok kho seasoning mix, and some tomato paste. Give this a mix. Marinate and combine well. Alright, cover with saran wrap. Refrigerate this a minimum of 2 to 4 hours or overnight. For your lemongrass stock, remove the outer shell, cut the top end, and then we're gonna slightly bruise the end of the lemongrass. Alright, add oil and saute aromatics. So here I have my ginger, lemongrass, and yellow onions. And now we throw in our marinated meat. Add into the Instant Pot. I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar, light soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. Coconut water or coconut soda. Now I'm just gonna add some water.
Followed by Star Anise, cinnamon sticks, and carrots. Cover and pressure cook for 20 minutes. Once completed, let this naturally release. Place this in a bowl and serve this with some toasted French baguettes. If you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, you can support me by hitting that subscribe button. I food blog in SoCal and do home cooked recipes. Wow, look at that. Follow for more.